Hi guys, so today we're going to try and get off a locking key. The cap has come off the locking key, just pinged off, so now I've got the task of trying to get it off. So I've got a star socket, which is a TX60 half inch. I did whack it in already and try it, but it's just not biting quite enough. So I mean, I don't know if I could wrap some foil around it, maybe that might build it up a little tiny bit more to give me enough bite. Not too sure, but as a plan B, I'm going to use a socket and hammer that on as much as I can to try and get a bite. I reckon an 18mm should do the job with this particular size wheel bolt, and wrench it off. But I'll try it, give it a couple of options, and then I'll come back to you and let you know how I get on. So the answer to that one was no. I tried tapping it in, but it's just too soft. The foil's just not going to build it up, tearing. So plan B. So locking wheel nut has finally been removed after going to about 3 different garages. Found another local garage near to me in Bexley, and basically you pull it up on the ramp. Took out the other 4 wheel nuts, so it was just the locking wheel nut held in there. After I'd obviously drilled it and had a go at it and tried all sorts of techniques, as you see earlier, and he literally just used a crowbar, which you put underneath on the inside of the frame of the car against the wheel, and with 2 good tugs it sheared off the bolt, the locking wheel nut bolt cap. So obviously the wheel come off, which is great, and then the remaining bit of thread, which is obviously inside, there was still protruding, so we could just unscrew it and got it all out. So relieved it's finally off. Total mission. So a few little different techniques for you there, but manhandling it, got it out in the end. There is other techniques that I found out about. It could have welded in a rod, and obviously got it off that way as well, but all in all it cost me 20 quid, so not too bad. Okay, thanks for watching, please subscribe.